Here are some ingenious tools that will change the lives of professionals. Sopack PureSPRAY. Sopack PureSPRAY is a line-making system designed for fast, precise application of paint with minimal mess. It boasts being 40% faster than competing line marking systems, allowing you to cover 500 meters in 30 minutes. The unique combination of paint formula, spray nozzle and trolley ensures crisp lines without overspray or the need for masking tape. The system is intuitive and requires no cleaning after use, making it a convenient option. The paint dries to the touch in 11 minutes and is guaranteed for 3 years. Sopack PureSPRAY is advertised as being more cost-effective than its closest competitor. RAIMONDI Up the Tiller Pad. The RAIMONDI Up the Tiller Pad is a rubber pad designed to provide a stable and supportive work surface for tile layers. It can be used for a variety of tasks, including cutting tiles, making holes in tiles, spreading glue on tiles, scribbing lines on tiles, and more. The pad is made of stain-resistant gray rubber with a metal insert for added durability. It has a diameter of 112 mm and can support a maximum weight of 57 kg in the horizontal position on smooth and clean surfaces. The pad also has a tab for easy release from even the smoothest surface. The pad is a versatile tool that can save tile layers time and effort. It is a valuable addition to any tile layers toolbox. Hammer Fist. The Hammer Fist is a multi-tool designed to be compact and replace a variety of household tools. It typically has features like hammering surfaces, mallet, and nail puller. Some versions may include a ruler, a level, a bottle opener, or even a hex drive for screwdriver bits. While it offers the convenience of having multiple tools in one, it may not be a perfect replacement for dedicated tools due to limitations in size and leverage. Reviews suggest it may be better for light-duty tasks around the house. Cordless Belt Sander BSA. The Cordless Belt Sander BSA is a sanding tool made by PROCRIMP. It's a compact and maneuverable sander that's perfect for detail work on wood, metal, and plastic. The sander has a variable speed control that allows you to adjust the speed to match the material you're sanding. The head of the sander can rotate through 60 degrees, which allows you to sand at different angles. It has a suction connection that allows you to connect it to a vacuum cleaner to collect dust as you sand. The Proxxon Cordless Belt Sander BSA is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of sanding tasks. Gold Standard. Gold standard sheet metal hole cutters and cutter bits refer to a specific type of hole cutter made by Malco, a manufacturer of tools for sheet metal work. These are tools designed to make clean, circular holes in sheet metal. Malco's HC1 and HC2 models are particularly known for their gold standard features. These features are what set Malco's HC1 and HC2 hole cutters apart. The cutter bits, bearings, and pivot pin are gold-colored, making them easily identifiable. The gold-colored bits are designed for long life and clean cuts. They also have a large flat surface that allows for easy adjustment of the cutting edge. This helps extend the life of the bit. The hole cutters are designed to fit into the chuck of any corded or cordless drill as small as 1/4 of an inch. These hole cutters are known for their ability to cut sheet metal quickly, and the aluminum frame makes these hole cutters easy to carry and use on the go. Pipe reamers. Pipe reamers are handheld tools used to clean and smooth the cut ends of pipes, typically in PVC plastic pipes. These tools come in various designs, but most have two functions: an external cone-shaped reamer that removes any burrs or ridges left behind from cutting the pipe, and an internal cutting edge that shaves and smooths the inside diameter of the pipe. This is important to ensure a good gluing surface when connecting pipes together. PROCRIMP F320 powered crimping tool. The F320 powered crimping tool is a device designed to make crimping large quantities of wires easier and faster, especially for fencing applications. It utilizes the power electric motor of the Infaco Electro Group F320 handset, eliminating the manual effort required with traditional hand crimping tools. The ergonomic design with a finger trigger allows you to use one hand to operate the tool, while the other hand is free to hold the wire or position the crimping head. By using a power tool, you can significantly reduce the time it takes to crimp numerous wire connections. Overall, the PROCRIMP F320 is a valuable tool for professionals like fencing contractors, agricultural workers, and horticulturalists who deal with frequent wire crimping tasks. Grabber Pro. The Grabber Pro adjustable, multi-purpose, professional push block is a safety tool used on table saws, router tables, jointers, and even band saws to keep your hand safely away from the blade while providing control and precision during cuts. Made by Milescraft, it is designed to be the ultimate adjustable push block. The adjustable multi-leg design can be configured in multiple ways to best suit your needs. The angled support foot allows the Grabber Pro to safely support itself and balance on taller, thin workpieces. The diamond grip push block legs maintain maximum contact with your workpiece, increasing control and safety. And the sacrificial retractable heel grips to the back edge of the board and helps push the workpiece all the way through the cut. The Grabber Pro is a versatile tool that can be used by both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. It is a valuable safety tool that can help to prevent injuries in the workshop. Pivot Ladder Tool. The Pivot Ladder Tool is a multifunctional tool designed to improve ladder safety and usability. The ladder leveler helps stabilize ladders on uneven surfaces like stairs, slopes, or angled roofs. It boasts a 5-in-1 design, functioning as a ladder leveler, jack, shelf, standoff, and tool caddy. This eliminates the need for multiple single-use accessories. It is lightweight and sets up in seconds without any complex mechanisms and can support weights up to 500 pounds, making it suitable for various tasks. Overall, the pivot ladder tool seems like a versatile tool for anyone who uses ladders regularly, especially for tasks on uneven surfaces. Flint Span Messer Wood Splitter. The Flint Span Messer is a tool specifically designed to make splitting kindling for fires easier. It is typically made of cast iron, painted black, and has a blunt blade. The design utilizes leverage to split wood with minimal effort. You place a piece of wood upright against the base of the tool, and then bring the lever down onto the top of the wood, splitting it into kindling-sized pieces.